Look up at the sky. Now imagine something impossible. A massive ring system stretching across the heavens. Visible day and night. Brighter than the moon. Casting shadows across entire continents. What if Earth suddenly had rings like Saturn? It would be beautiful. It would be terrifying. And it would change life on Earth forever. Saturn's rings didn't appear by accident. Scientists believe they formed when a moon or large object wandered too close and was torn apart by gravity. If Earth gained rings, it would likely happen the same way. A massive asteroid, a captured moon, or a near collision with another planetary body. Once shattered, the debris would spread out into a vast, flat disk, billions of pieces of ice, rock, and dust orbiting Earth at incredible speeds. From the ground, the sky would never look the same again. Unlike Saturn, Earth's rings would appear enormous in the sky. Near the equator, they would stretch from horizon to horizon like a glowing band. In some regions, they would block sunlight for hours each day. At night, the rings would reflect sunlight so strongly that darkness would almost disappear. Cities wouldn't need as much artificial light. Stars would be harder to see. The sky itself would become a permanent, moving structure. The most dangerous effect wouldn't be how the rings look. It would be the shadows. Earth's rings would cast massive shadows across the planet, especially near the equator. Some regions would experience daily cooling as sunlight is blocked. Over time, this could alter global climate patterns. Cooler equatorial zones, shifting wind systems, changed ocean currents, new weather extremes, entire ecosystems would be forced to adapt or collapse. Earth's orbit is already crowded with satellites. Rings would make space travel far more dangerous. Any satellite passing through the ring plane would be destroyed by high-speed debris. GPS, communications, weather satellites, many would fail. Launching rockets would require carefully timed paths to avoid collisions. Space exploration would slow dramatically. Earth would become surrounded by a natural minefield. The moon plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth. Rings would interact gravitationally with both Earth and the moon. Over time, this could change the moon's orbit. Tides could weaken or become unpredictable. Coastal ecosystems would suffer. Marine life that depends on tidal cycles would struggle to survive. Earth's delicate balance would begin to shift. Life is resilient, but only to a point. Plants near the equator might receive less sunlight, reducing crop yields. Animals that rely on seasonal light changes would be disrupted. Migration patterns could collapse. Humans might adapt with technology, artificial lighting, climate control, food engineering. But nature wouldn't adapt evenly. Some regions would thrive. Others would slowly become uninhabitable. Unlike Saturn, Earth's rings wouldn't last forever. Earth's atmosphere would slowly drag the debris downward. Over millions of years, the rings would decay. Fragments would fall back to Earth as constant meteor showers. The night sky would burn endlessly with streaks of fire. Eventually, the rings would vanish, but the damage would remain. Earth with rings would be breathtaking. But beauty doesn't mean stability. The rings would reshape climate, disrupt space travel, alter tides, and push ecosystems to their limits. Our planet would survive. Life might survive. But Earth would never be the same world we know today. Sometimes the most beautiful changes come with the greatest cost. If you enjoy exploring impossible questions about our planet and universe, subscribe to Infinite Explanations for more science-based documentaries like this one.